from the child. Come to tabletop. Knees are hip wide, arms are shoulder wide. And then slowly move your arms to the front, stretch them out, stretch your arms, melt your hearts toward the floor. And you can stay either here or you bend your arms and make a shark fin with your hands. Placing the hands on the upper spine. Just staying like here. It's not important how your legs are. Just focus on the arms. Open them up. Keep breathing into the belly. And then release. Bring the hands back to the floor. Push yourself up to tabletop. And then move to plank. Just stay here in plank. Really create one line with your body. And then maybe move back and forth. Activating your arms, your legs. Creating one stable line. And if you like, you can extend one arm and then the other. Or just stay in plank, wherever you feel good. One last time. And then relax. Stay in plank. And then push back to the downward facing dog. The inner sides of your elbows are facing each other. Really push back, pushing the hips and the shoulders back as much as you can. Breathe deeply. And now bring your forearms to the floor, but stay in this downward facing dog. And from here, you can move your feet a bit further away. You can move to the dolphin plank and then push back again into the dolphin. Inhale, come forth. Exhale, push back. Inhale, dolphin plank. Exhale, push back. In your own rhythm, your own time. Just a few more. Almost done. One last time. Very good. Come back to plank and then push back into the downward facing dog. Stay here, rest, push back. And then move your feet closer to your arms. Bring the knees to the outside of your upper arm, just above the elbow. And then shift the weight onto the hands. And now you can lift one foot and then the other. So alternate. And if you feel ready, you can lift even both, so you end up in crow. But if you don't achieve this one, just try to alternate a movement. So lift one and then the other. Whenever you're ready, do the crow. Very good. One last breath. And then slowly move to the floor, to the garland pose. I just move so you see what I'm doing. So the feet are looking in a 45 degree angle outside. And I'm pushing my knees outward with my elbows. My hands are pressed together in front of my heart. And then just open your hips with the strength of your arms. You can close your eyes and just enjoy. Keep breathing into the belly. And then I'm just moving around again so you see me better. And now I am releasing, coming to tabletop. And from here I'm placing my head to the floor. Arms are shoulder wide apart, and I'm creating this triangle. So they are in a distance so that actually my arms can form a 90-degree angle. And then from here, I'm bringing my feet up, and then I'm placing my knees on top of my upper arms, just above the elbow. And you can either stay here and then again alternate your feet moving up, or if you like, you can bring them up both and then stay here. One last breath. And then release. And then come to child pose. And then here, you're calming down. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Interlace your fingers behind you. And then open up your chest, look to the sky. Release. Come to tabletop. Inhale, lift the left arm up to the sky. And then exhale, bring your left shoulder to the ground. And now I'm stretching the left arm. Look towards the sky. Keep breathing deeply. Exhale. Inhale, release. Exhale. Inhale, lift the right arm, look to the sky. Exhale, bring the right shoulder to the floor, look to the sky. Keep breathing. Very good. Release. Inhale, come back. Then swing your feet to the side and transition to lay down on your spine. Like here. And then hug your knees into your chest. Take the plants of your feet and then just press the knees towards you, towards the outside of your trunk, while the sit bones are still on the floor. The whole spine is on the floor. And prepare for Shavasana. And then slowly release. Let your feet fall away from you, further away than hip wide apart. Arms are away from the mat. Bring the breath to the belly. And then just release and relax. Let go. Observe your body for any tension. And actively release. And deepen your breath. Start moving your wrists and your ankles. Make the circles bigger and bigger until you reach a cat stretch, a complete stretch. Stretch like a cat in the morning. And roll to your favorite side, into a fetal position. Smile to yourself. And then slowly move yourself up and come into a seated position of your choice. Give yourself a hug and a smile. Thank yourself for today's practice. Inhale, palms are pressed together in front of your heart. Smile. Exhale, namaste, bow down to yourself. Thank you so much for being a part of this series. We are done with the 3-part full body workout yoga series. So you can just repeat all of those 3 videos regularly throughout the week, and you will notice how you are improving physically and also mentally, of course, as we are always combining the body and mind in our practice. So I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope I see you soon in one of my future videos, which are coming up soon. Bye.